Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find air conditioning 3rd row independent controls, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.